What's the meaning of craftwork? Craftwork. Craftwork.
Craftwork. Craftwork. Craftwork refers to the skillful creation of handmade objects, often using traditional techniques and tools. These objects are typically made by artisans or craftsmen and can include anything from pottery and textiles to furniture and jewelry. The result of craftwork is a unique and personalized item that embodies the creativity and expertise of its maker. Unlike mass-produced products, craftwork often involves intricate details and high-quality materials, making each piece one of a kind. Embracing craftwork can also help support local economies and preserve cultural heritage.